Is body positivity making us fatter? Let's talk about it.
Look, the original goal of the body positivity movement is understandable, helping people love themselves no matter their size or shape. But somewhere along the lines, that shifted into promoting that any level of body fat is healthy, and that's clearly not the case.
Since this shift in the 1960s, we've seen skyrocketing obesity rates. In the US, 40% of adults are now obese, and it climbs every year. Here's the truth. You can have self-love and still want to improve. If you respect your body, you should be working towards a healthier one. Pretending obesity has no consequences, that's not positivity. That's denial.
So let's make body positivity what it's meant to be: self-respect and self-improvement. Your body deserves better, and so do you.